Hello, welcome to How's It channel. In today's video, we will show you how to search duplicates in Excel. Let's go. Open the Excel file you need. We have a list of names with duplicates ready for this tutorial. Put your mouse in the empty cell next to the data. Paste the formula into the line at the top of the document. You can find the formula in the description box below. Edit the value. For example, we have data in column A, from cell 1 to cell 22. So, we edit formula values A1 to A22. Click somewhere on empty space in the document when you are ready. Select a cell with the formula. Pull the bottom right corner down for as far as you need. It will copy the formula for each cell. You will get duplicate or no duplicate note next to each cell. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Comment if you use any of our tips and tricks and let us know what you think about this tutorial. We upload new tutorials every day. Don't forget to put a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.